Yeah.
All right, whakalafa atu, ko hae John Pule. Pulotu. Whakalafa atu, John, o hingo e whakau hao e aho nei?
E whakau hapu koe, tūne nei leo ki he tau tangata ka te loto ki o mei ki loto, ke si e tau whakasinue, ne tāi o ke whakamunuina e pole whakamotu.
Whiha e tau ne mai ki tau se whekau hao, whiha?
Nā ka mate o he wali tau whakasinue he tahi tau.
Tahi tau?
Yeah, tahi tau.
Hom.
Si olio ke he whakatu whono makintai o ke whakakisi loto he whali ni. Ia si tālia. Si koe tau niu tupu e, ne ki se koe, nā te mai o ni I liku.
Homo.
Nia tita, ia.
Whai advice ki a tau tangata Niue mai ki loto ke tau se whakau te tei
Ke tau tama? Ke support?
Ke support,
Ia. Mo you know, when they grow up, keep supporting them if they still want to do the art. Yeah, and that's the only thing you can do, is to
support the passion.
And make them aware of our hiapo, because hiapo is probably our, besides the weaving and the baka and that, hiapo would be the closest we have to painting. Koe tau tufunga ia, tau tupuna ia ne kamata mua e tau wali. Ke wali e tau hiapo.
Wali?
Ke wali mo e tau, you know, tau natural oka.
Ko hinga kupu wali?
Wali, uli.
Uli.
They use black paint.
Haku.
I kone ne whahangao e wali uli. Yeah, because I'm using black because they used black.
Cool.
Yeah.
On
bark cloth.
Yeah.
But to encourage our young people, you have to encourage them from the beginning. Yeah. It's a hard life. Uke mui ke tangata ka pia loto ke you know, be an artist. But but the road is beautiful. But it's hard.
Via tau aho e whakau e...
this is on for 2 weeks. Yeah, this is the last week.
Okay.
Yeah. Finish on Saturday.
Aho ua ono.
Yeah, aho ua ono.
Home.
See, yeah. Asi he aho whaiu.
Oh man, Jane.
But ni mitaki, na po ni he nei.
Okay.
Ke lebeki.
Hako, e whale whono?
Yeah, nā, ke lebeki.
Te whakau,
Yeah. Kamata he hola hiwa pong si pā he hola tolu he awhi.
Home.
Yeah, si pōni, si angohua I lalo. Si ka longa nio I tō whoa nio mai ki loto. Hau ki lunga tunga mua nio mai.
Ei longa I tau huhua haku. Me, whakau e lahi mai ki uina, talia. Whakau. Tulo.
Si ka magna ka koe ki tuhi E tau hingoa.
Help.
Visit this book. Ko tuhi te koe?
John was showing us and explaining the meaning of the art display.
Yeah,
He
Titohi
said,
Asi
I
Tauhi
support
Moa.
the children
Yeah.
who are interested in pursuing art. Fia, God bless, Malianga TMNZM.
Thank you. Titohi Asi Tauhi Moa I tau tana. Yeah.
Just put down for
Yeah, we can look later and go, yeah.
We've been there.
Yeah.
Nice. Okay. Yeah.
And have one of these too.
Ko hingo
Yeah. I called the exhibition Ata.
Ata
Wait, Ata is the tree that the bark cloth was made
mo la kai kiri hea kau ne.
The inner bark.
Bark like a full bark.
Ata.
Yeah, the Ata tree. So you take away the bark and it's the inner. And you take the inner bark out and you eat it. Tungi pepper. Like paper. But it's bark and you can make them big, you know.
For the hiapo or the ink?
The hiapo. So this is an example of the hiapo. And this is over 2 meters long. Like long. And this one was made in Tamako, Tonga in 1887.
Wow.
Shucks. And the pepper is ata, the wood.
Well,
It's-
well, it's like paper.
yeah.
Yeah.
Wow.
Because paper is made from bark
Yeah.
Yeah.
or anything, anything fibrous.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Man.
Yeah.
Tàu
Wow.
kia mà John này, is it
1887.
1887?
You can take one. You can take
I'll
it.
take
Oh, yeah. Yeah, mate.
Oh, shucks.
You can take one. Yeah.
Ấy, của mình phải. Ê mà John.
Oh, yeah. Oh, too low for going,
Yeah.
Yeah.
So don't forget to,
Yeah.
Yeah. So,
Ari,
so we can
Come
keep,
and write your name down. So you will keep this in in your own.
Yeah, well,
Yeah.
it's a record, but
Yeah,
also,
of who's been, yeah. Yeah.
in the future, there might be other things that
Happening,
can
eh?
take place in here,
Oh.
and then they can see is it worth it?
Yeah.
Because the only promotion is the board outside, and inside the tourism.
Just right. I'll go away
That's
like.
the only tourism. That's the
Awesome.
only promotion.
Yeah.
But yesterday we got 12 people.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow. Shucks, that's awesome.
Yeah, all good.
Yeah. Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Living the dream, John?
Yeah.
Whakalofa atu makau, ko au I whale whono I Niue, ko au e aho nei hau ke sia, hau ke ono e tau whekau e John Pule, ke sia au. Man, fuloala e tau artwork John Pule, ko art exhibition I whale whono. Ke sia tau ngahua. Lo e kupu for artwork. I'll just say artwork. Whiwhi lahi o mai ke o mai among whao haku ke sia tau artwork John Pule. Ko au I lo au ko John Pule mo I ata peau tolu e tau Niue artists that are known, but John Pule I lo longa to tak naka I no. O mai I Amerika. He art exhibition I Amerika. Ke sia na kai tau artwork. Fuloala tau artwork John Pule. Ui mai John ko nofo mai he ke aonge whale whono ke tau se tau ngahua. Ue tau si tau se artwork ke whakototongi. Totongi, ai lo, ange kia whale whono whau. But man, whiwhia o mai ke sia, mai ke ono tau artworks. So, I'm in the old whale whono. Yeah, this is where the old display is. This is the display, the old whale whono, I lona kai. So we're here.